function of man is to live, not to exist.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. I hope you're well. I hope you're all having an amazing day. And in this video, I'm on day 2 in Santorini here in Greece. So Santorini is a beautiful little Greek island, and I arrived there yesterday, daytime. I landed at 1 o'clock. So yesterday was my first day here, first night. Today's my second day here. So I'm staying on Santorini for 3 nights. Today's the second night here, my second day. So it's currently 9:30 and I'm waiting for my breakfast to be given. So they've gave me a whole menu, a whole sheet with options of what I want for breakfast. So I've ordered my breakfast and I told them what time I wanted it for as well. So you can have it between 7 till 10:15, and I gave it till 9:45. So it's currently 9:30, so I've got another 15 minutes and I'm just waiting for my breakfast. The weather today is 18 degrees, but it is super windy today. I just stepped outside. It is windy, but it's 18 degrees. Mild, but very windy. Wow. But there's a volcano literally right opposite me. I'm just staring at it because it's active. It can go off at any time, literally, including right now. I'm just praying I get out of here safe and sound and make it back. Wow. So my breakfast has just arrived. So in this plate I've got an omelette with some mushrooms and some peppers. I think that's green peppers. And then some feta cheese, toast with cheese inside, melted cheese, croissants, bread, yogurt with honey. I've never tried that before. Then I've got a cereal here with dried fruits inside, and then my cappuccino, orange juice. So this is my breakfast here on my second day in Greece on the beautiful island of Santorini. So Greece, Santorini is usually considered as a couple's romantic holiday destination, but for me it's just me, myself and I'm just solo. So what does that mean? For me it's even more food. So more food for me. So guys, I just finished my breakfast. I'm literally feeling bloated because I ate quite a lot. As I said, I'm not a couple. I didn't come here with it as a couple. Came solo, so I don't have to share my food with anyone. More food for me. So I ate quite a lot of food and now I'm bloated. And I got back into bed. And I'm probably just gonna lay down in bed for a bit, just chill in my bed, because I booked this getaway to Santorini purely for just some relaxation, just to for peace of mind, for relaxing my mind and my body, just chilling in this suite that I booked, using the jacuzzi. I'm not going to use the swimming pool because that's cold, it's not heated, but I went in the jacuzzi yesterday and it was nice and warm. But yeah, that's literally why I booked this little getaway to Santorini, just to relax in the suite and enjoy the views. So right now I'm just gonna chill in my bed, and if I do anything, if I do go out, I'll record it. So I attempted to go out to a tourist shop to get some magnets, and I went to explore, but it was a mission fail. I didn't succeed in it because it is extremely windy outside. It's not cold. It's nice. It's warm, but it is extremely windy, and you can get blown away in this wind. The wind is it's extreme, and when there's wind on an island, it is really bad. On an island, winds are really bad. So instead, I came to my grandma and my auntie's room in their hotel. I'm just gonna chill here for a bit, and I'll see maybe later if it gets less windy, I might step outside. If not, I'm just gonna stay in the room. So I think we're gonna do the camel riding here. It'll be my first time sitting on a camel. Pine trees around me, all the nature. I feel like I'm in the Maldives. Take that in for a moment. That is so beautiful. Amazing. And then the trees as well, pine trees. This is amazing. I've always wanted to come here. So they're playing like some Afro music or something in the background, some Afro beats, and I like that. It just relaxes you, makes you more comfortable. I like Afro music. I couldn't go out to explore because the weather outside is, well, it's too windy. The weather is alright, it's not cold. It's warm, but it's just too windy and it keeps blowing you back, which is why I didn't go out, and most of the shops are closed anyway. So I went to a magnet shop, a tourist shop. I mapped it on Google Maps, so on Google Maps it said it's open, and when I got there, it was closed. The shutters were down and it was closed. So Google Maps lied to me. So instead, I just came back to the hotel, and I'm just watching some of my old vlogs, because why not? I got nothing else to do. I'm not gonna go back out because it's extremely windy, and it's gonna be like that all day. It's gonna be windy all day, so I won't be able to go out, because I did want to go out and explore. I wanted to go to a place called Fira and Oya, which is close, but I can't. It's too windy. It keeps blowing you back. The wind is very strong, and so I'm just gonna stay inside. I was just watching my vlogs, my old vlogs of my past holidays, my past adventures that I've been on. The food has just arrived. Let's dig into this. I'm gonna eat my food now. I can't wait. Let's begin. Let's start eating. So I ordered myself a vegetable pizza. So it's cheese and tomato with some grilled vegetables on top. So let's get started. Yeah, that's what I'm having for dinner. Vegetable pizza. That is nice. That's my dinner for tonight. I just finished my dinner, and it's 6:15 in the evening, and I just stepped outside just to enjoy the view as the night is falling, as it's getting darker. Just want to enjoy that view. Now that I've finished my food, the only way to flush it down my system is to have a cold can of lemonade Fanta. I just grabbed this out of the fridge. I can barely hold it because it's so cold. The can is so cold. But it's what I need right now. And it's the only way I can flush that food down my system. That tastes so nice. Lemonade Fanta. I'm just checking in on the airline's website right now for Saturday, because I leave on Saturday. So I'm just checking in to get the boarding passes and just listening to my Bollywood beats at the same time. The Bollywood tunes. I love Bollywood music. Bollywood music is my favourite music. So I'm gonna get back to checking myself in and then get my boarding pass So guys, that's the end of the day for me. It's currently 10 past 10 at night, and I'm gonna call that a day and I'm gonna head off to sleep. I didn't get to do anything today, but I did book this 3-day getaway to Santorini just for relaxation, to relax my mind and relax my body, just sleep in and just relax, you know, take it easy. But I didn't get to go. I did want to go and get some magnets, but I couldn't because of the storm, which has interrupted. So because of that interruption, a lot of the shops were closed. So I didn't get to get any magnets or anything. But hopefully, I hope the weather is a lot better tomorrow, and maybe I can head out in the morning after breakfast. So tomorrow my breakfast will be delivered to my bedroom at 9 o'clock. So here there's a delivery, they deliver your breakfast to your bedroom, the hotel does. They cook your breakfast, whatever you want. They give you a menu of selection of options, whatever you want. They'll give it to you, in your room. That's luxury living. So that's a game changer for me. But I'm gonna head off to sleep now, and hopefully, if the weather's nice tomorrow, I will head out. Now I'm gonna slip my Versace eye mask on and go to sleep. Good night, guys, and thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next vlog. Take care. Goodbye.